Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free. You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me. It seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another power hour. You guys have been loving my power hours lately, so I wanted to go ahead and share another one with you. And there's going to be even more power hour goodness in this hour because we're going to be doing a collaboration with not just a mom, my friend Raluca here on YouTube. She and I have collaborated together before and we wanted to go ahead and do another video together. So we're both going to be doing a power hour. So definitely make sure after you are done watching my video, you go over, head over to her channel and watch hers. Go and hit subscribe and all that good stuff. Tell her that I sent you because you're definitely going to find a lot of motivation from her channel as well. She does a ton of stuff just like I do. She does a ton of different cleaning motivation. She also does lots of hauls. I love her haul videos. She does a little bit of everything just like I do over here. And if you are coming over from Raluca's channel, I would absolutely love it if you would stick around and hit the subscribe button. In today's video, once again, just like Raluca is, we're going to be doing a power hour. We're going to be timing ourselves, seeing how much we can get done in 60 minutes. And I have quite a bit to do today. The top floor of my house is really messy and so is the basement as well. So if we do get time, we'll probably head down to the basement, but I don't know if we'll get time because I have quite a bit to do up here. So I am going to have a basement video coming soon for you guys because I think in my last power hour I said the same thing. I was like, we'll get to the basement if we can, and I didn't have time. So we'll see when we can get to making that video next. But anyways, for those of you that might be new here, my name is Holly. Welcome to the channel. I am a stay-at-home mom of two. I have a 3.5-year-old son named Holden, and I have a brand new baby who's going to be 3 months old here in a few days, and his name is Dawson. And yeah, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I do a ton of cleaning content over here. Sometimes I do other things like hauls, cooking, law of attraction, but for the most part I do try to stick to cleaning. So anyways, without further ado, let's get on into the video. I'm going to show you guys what needs to be done here and then we'll set the timer and get to work. You guys, so it's not like crazy bad around the house. It's just like there's everything in every room of the house needs to be done, so that it seems like a lot. Seems like a bigger task than it probably is, but each room should probably only take a few minutes. I have to clean off my little catch-all dresser here. I need to put all this stuff in the laundry because, you know, why would I just throw it in the laundry bin when I can just use the floor? Because, you know, that's adulting. I need to tidy up my nightstand and make my bed. That's pretty much all that needs to be done in my master bedroom. I apologize for the lighting. I don't have my ring light set up here yet, but we will get that set up in a minute. I need to throw in some laundry in the washing machine. I need to move that because we did a little obstacle course here this morning with Holden, so we have some remnants of that left over. I want to do a quick tidy up of Holden's room. Once again, more laundry that needs to go in there. Do a quick tidy, make his bed, and clean up some of his toys here. But once again, it's not too bad. Shouldn't take that long. Heading over into the living room, we have some tracks that we need to clean up. Blankets and pillows, of course, all over the floor. Here's my little 3-month-old. This is Dawson, if you are new to the channel. Hi, baby. Hi, Annie. Holden and Daddy are downstairs playing. We're doing some tummy time earlier, so we had to put that stuff away and to tidy up my couch. My couch is always filled with pillows and blankets, but we had to get that tidied up and probably give the couch a good vacuum as well as the carpet. moving over to the dining area, we have to take out this recycling and just clear off the dining table. Holden's been practicing drawing some letters. And then lastly, we have the kitchen. So the kitchen is definitely the room that needs the most work. And then also we have to vacuum up and mop the floors. Doesn't look too bad over here, but if I pull this chair away, yeah, this is what the floor looks like around the dining table. So we had a vacuum there, and I'd like to mop as well. Okay, so I think typically I like to start in the kitchen, but I think we're gonna change things up and we're gonna actually start in my bedroom today, and we'll work our way backwards. We're gonna start with the rooms that need a little bit less attention and end up doing the kitchen last, because that's the one that needs the most attention, and to be honest with you, I don't feel like doing it. So hopefully by the time I'm done the other rooms, I will have gained some motivation to tackle the kitchen. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, we're going to go ahead and get started in my bedroom today, something different. And I'm going to start off by cleaning off my nightstand and my dresser. As you guys know, my dresser is always my catch-all little area, but I have been trying to do a better job of making sure that I'm cleaning it off at least like every day or day or two, so it hasn't become the huge bomb that it typically is whenever I film a cleaning video. So I cleaned all that stuff off, and now I'm going to go ahead and just wipe everything down, and then we will go ahead and move on to making the bed. So like I said, there's not a whole lot that I need to do in each room today, which is kind of nice because I should be able to fly through the rooms. I'm just going to go ahead and make the bed, and then I will already be done for this room.
I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, we're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up. Hey, let's go out. When I see you moving, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
Okay, so now let's head on into Holden's room. As you guys can see, he had a bunch of toys just kind of all over the place, so I wanted to go ahead and pick those up. Once again, it wasn't too bad in here, pretty much just putting toys away and then making his bed, and that's also pretty much it for his room. So once again, a pretty quick...
Going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. You make me oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Hey, could be us, but hey, I'm guessing if I was your girl.
Okay, so by this time I had accumulated some motivation, so I thought I would go ahead and tackle the kitchen. Plus Holden was busy making even more of a mess in the living room, so I thought I will just let him be while he's nice and preoccupied, and I can do the kitchen, and then I'll have to obviously interrupt him when I go into the living room. So I wanted to just let him stay occupied as long as possible. So I am now just going to clear off the counters in the kitchen, and that obviously is what takes the most time. I do have to empty the dishwasher as well and reload it, but basically the majority of this time was spent clearing off my counters because I'm one of those people, I have not mastered cleaning as you go. Like most people can just, you know, as they're cooking, they will clean, and I just don't. For whatever reason, I don't think of doing that. So I end up just having a huge mess after every meal in my house, and I just half the time just end up leaving it because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna film a video later anyways or whatever. So I end up just leaving it for a couple hours, and then the next time I need to come in and make a meal, it's a huge mess in there, and I have to do a huge clean of my kitchen before I can cook and make it messy again. So I feel like my kitchen is pretty much always dirty. But also I feel like that's pretty relatable, so let me know in the comments down below if you are like that with any room in your house. Is there a room in your house that's pretty much always messy, and no matter what, it just always is. It's just always a mess. And the funny thing is that the kitchen is the place that I like to be the cleanest. Like I always like it to be clean because I feel like once my kitchen is clean, the rest of the house just feels more put together, I guess, just by association. So it's really weird that that usually ends up being the room that's the messiest.
Let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with a habit to the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place. And now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb. 'Cause I just wanna be here in our hometown, running free. It could be.
So I had Dawson wake up from his nap and he was getting pretty fussy, so I thought I'd try cleaning with him attached to me. And the thing is that he absolutely loves going for walks when I'm wearing him like this.
he loves it. As soon as I put him on, he just immediately falls asleep. And if I am outside, like doing whatever, we go for a walk, or if we take my son sledding, I have worn this for like 3 hours at a time, and he just stays asleep the whole time. He loves it. But I found out doing this that he does not like when I'm cleaning in it. It's all the bending and everything. He was just getting mad. So this only lasted for a few minutes before I ended up taking it off and trying something else. He was pretty fussy throughout this hour of trying to clean, so I had to keep moving him all over the place. But he eventually did quiet down and go to sleep. So here is the after of the kitchen. As you guys can see, it is much, much better. And now we're going to move on into the living room. So I'm going to start by cleaning up these tracks that Holden and I were building earlier in the day, and then we'll move over to the couch.
Door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear, say, are you a sinner or a beginner? Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka Cola Light. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, all nights, dive bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, you're playing the Beatles, you got my high school t-shirt on, it's looking so easy. You're killing my headphones with that song, the way that you're laughing, spilling the milkshake in your bed. I know what you're after. Yeah, I know what you're after. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and
So I'm going to start my last task, which is vacuuming, and I was really hoping to get through all of the vacuuming on the top floor, but I unfortunately did not. I made it about halfway through when I started hearing the alarm going off.
everybody knows your white lies, white scars, all nights, dive bars, burning me up, you're burning me up. Yeah, you're burning me up. White lies and scars. Yeah.
You guys, so my timer ended up going off about halfway through vacuuming. So I did not get everything done that I wanted to. I did not get the kitchen vacuumed or mopped, and I didn't get the dining room cleared. But I was able to get everything else done, so I'm still going to consider it a success. I had to stop a whole bunch of time, as you guys probably saw me moving Dawson around because he was getting fussy. So I like strapped him to me for a while. He didn't like that. I had him in his bouncy chair. He didn't like that. Then I had to stop and feed him. So this has been a long hour. I'll just say that. So yeah, but anyways, that's what I was able to get done. Let me know in the comments down below if you ever do power hours and time yourself cleaning. It's one of my favorite things to do because it actually makes you run around and get things done as quickly as you possibly can. Once again, if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I put out content 2 to 3 times a week. So there's always some new motivation coming from me. And if you are one of my loyal viewers, please go ahead and head over to I Am Not Just a Mom's channel. You guys will absolutely love her. She is so sweet and she's so cute. She reminds me of Snow White. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.